Good Monday morning to you all. I hope you had a great weekend. Welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Dawn. This is my channel where I draw stuff, draw patterns mostly, but not always. Here is my previous page in my dot journal. If you don't know about my dot journal, here's my dot journal. Playlist is listed at the end of each of these videos. Check out my playlist. You can watch them all from beginning to end. You'll know what's going on. And we're going to do the next page. What I have is each of these journal pages has a dot cut in it, like a window. And then I draw on one side, and then you have a window you can see through onto the other. So, and then they're both back to front. So that's what I'm doing. I had done them all one way. My husband says, well, why didn't you draw on the back? So I've been working on drawing on the back. So today, I drew this on the last video. So today we're going to incorporate this somehow. And I think I'm wanting to just do dots. I'm really in the, I love the dots. I'm going to use some of these cutouts from these pages as a template to draw around. I think I want like bubbles overlapping. Oop, I gotta do this side. Gotta do that side. And then maybe the smaller size too. This size. And this size again. I need to erase a little of this. And I need to erase, which one's on top? This one's on top, I think. Decide which bubble is on top of which other bubble. And then I think this size again. I want this one. That one's not right. Take that one off. More like this. That. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Maybe there. We're just going to play with it until it feels right. That feels pretty good. Can you even see what I just did? Probably not. I'll come back with pen. I'm going to stick a scrap page under here just so I don't draw on my previous work. I think maybe a 5. And then what am I going to do? I don't know. Haven't got that far. Maybe I'll do a little neurographic dots. Yeah, let's do a little neurographic. We're gonna curve the edges where everything meets. Okay. Just softening those edges so there's no hard intersections. And then what are we going to do? I don't know. We'll decide after we look at what this looks like. One step at a time. We're just making things up as we go along, folks. This is how you learn. Besides doing pre-planned patterns, you can just do the things that you've already learned, and you can try to remember what they look like, or you can just say, well, what if I do this? What if? We're just doing some what ifs. What if I make it look like neurographic? Then what if? What will it look like? I don't know. Okay. Now what? What do I want to do with that? I think I just want to put a little color and then we'll be done. This is going to be a simple one. They don't all have to be super complicated, you know? We're going to put a little of this dark blue in the edges, but not all of the edges, just some of the edges, like this direction. We're just leaning into the blue today. Like that. And here, I think. I want to put my scrap page down again, because I don't want to color on my previous page. See, when I did the going the other direction, I made this page first, and then I did the pattern the second page. So this is giving my brain a different kind of challenge. For having the pattern first and then this page. I want to put a little bit of this teal like I did when I did this. Kind of blend those out a little bit. Don't want to color on my previous page. Always good to have a little scrap of paper laying around just to use for stuff like this. Am I being precious with it? No. No, I'm not. I'm just kind of doing what feels right, you know? And then we're going to get some white pencil. And we're going to highlight on the other side. Just like that. And just like that, we're finished. This is a quick and easy one today. I need to sign it somewhere. I'll sign it in this corner. Quick and easy, down and dirty. But look at it, goes so well with the page that's underneath. I am so much enjoying myself for how this is working. Let me put a little clip on this because it keeps popping up. So I can do a thumbnail without my big old hands in there. All right. You guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Whatever that happens to be on Wednesday. We'll figure out what kind of pattern we want to draw. And yeah, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you later. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And blessings to you. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.